Hey there, this is Sid and today we shall solve a SQL problem from StrataScratch. The title of the problem is Average Order Cost During Rush Hours. It's listed as a medium difficulty problem and the ID of the problem is 2035. As always, we shall first have a look into the input table. For ease of viewing, we have exported the input table to Microsoft Excel. So as you can see from the input table in Excel, it consists of a very large number of columns A through column N. However, not all the columns are relevant. The relevant ones have been highlighted with a background color. The first column that we need to consider is the customer placed order date time column. As the name suggests, it gives you the date and time of the order. The next relevant column is the place where the order is to be delivered. The other four columns that are relevant are the order total, the discount amount, the tip amount, and the refunded amount. The order total gives you the gross order total. So to get the net order total, you have to add the tip to the order total and then also subtract the discount amount and the refunded amount from the order total. So to summarize, the net order total would be order total plus tip amount minus discount amount minus refunded amount. Now let's go back to the problem. The problem says the company you work for has asked you to look into the average order value per hour during rush hours in San Jose area. Rush hour is from 15 hours to 17 hours inclusive. So as you can see, you have to apply two filters to the table that we just viewed. First is that the area must be San Jose, and the second is the hour part of the date time of the order should be 15 hours to 17 hours inclusive. That is, it can be 15 or 16 or 17. And next, it says that the order total represents the gross order total. To calculate the net order total, you would have to add the tip and subtract the discount and refund. This we have already explained. And also it says that use the column customer placed order date time for your calculations. That also we have highlighted in the first column. So in effect, once you have filtered the table, all you have to do is find out the average order where the average is calculated on the net order amount, not the total order amount, for each of the 3 hours, 15, 16 and 17. That's our problem statement. Now let's go back to Microsoft Excel. So from this input table, the delivery details table, I have created a smaller table. So this is our intermediate table. In the intermediate table, the first few columns are copied from the input table. The date time column, the delivery region, the total order amount, discount amount, tip amount and refunded amount. We have only added two columns here. First is the hour column. So the hour column extracts the hour from the date time column. As you can see, we have used the hour function to extract the hour from the date time value. And the other column that we have defined is the net order total, which is order total plus tip minus discount minus refund amount. So I hope this intermediate table is now clear to you. So in the next phase, what we have to do is we have to find out for San Jose area, what is the average order total per hour where the hour is 15 or 16 or 17. So that is done with the help of this pivot table here. This pivot table is a general pivot table without any filter. We shall apply filters in a moment. So as it stands, what this pivot table does is it gives you for all regions the average order for each hour. So in the hour 0, that is midnight till 1 am, the average order, regardless of which region the order was placed, was $49.339. For the next hour, that is 1 am to 2 am, the average order, regardless of the delivery region, was 52.442 and so on. But this isn't what the problem asks us to do. The problem is interested only in San Jose area. So if I go to the delivery region and select San Jose, it gives me the hourly average delivery amount for all the hours. Again, that's not what the problem is interested in. They want to know only for the hours 15, 16 and 17. So let me select 15, 16 and 17 here and see what the output looks like. So as you can see, for San Jose area for 15 hours, that is 3 p.m. to 4 p.m., there are no orders. So it could not calculate an average order. For 16 and 17 hours, the average are 32.463 and 22.344 respectively, which agrees with the expected output. 16 and 17 with 32.463 and 23.344 respectively. So I hope we were able to understand the input table, the problem statement and the solution in Microsoft Excel. Now let's try to translate this solution to SQL. As always, I have written the SQL code in Notepad++ because it's easiest to view here. So as we can see, our only input table is delivery underscore details, and since we are interested in the region San Jose and in the orders which were placed in 15, 16 and 17 hours, we have used a filter condition in the where clause here. I have said that the hour should be in 15, 16 and 17 and the delivery region should be San Jose. The first filter could not be directly applied to the date time column because it contains date as well as time. So what we did was we used the inbuilt function date part. It takes in two arguments. The second argument is the date time value, and the first argument is the format that you want to extract from the date time value. Since I want to extract hour, I have provided hour as a first argument, and I have said that that must be either 15 or 16 or 17 through the in keyword. So we understand these two filters here. In the select clause, again, I have kept the hour and given it an alias order underscore hour, and I have an aggregate value. The aggregated value is calculated from a combination of four different columns: order total plus tip amount minus discount amount minus refunded amount, and I have given it an alias average underscore earnings. And of course, I have to group it by the other column in the select statement. So here is the group by part. Note that in the problem statement, although it doesn't mention any rounding, from the output it seems that they have rounded it to 3 decimal places. So let me do the same as well. So here I shall say round it to 3 decimal places. Now let's copy this SQL query and run it in the editor window and see what we have. When we run the code, we see that we have two values in the order hour, 16 and 17, and the average earnings are 32.463 and 23.344, which of course agrees with our Excel output as well as the output provided by StrataScratch. So this was a fairly straightforward problem. I hope I was able to explain the solution to this problem. I shall keep coming back with solutions to new SQL problems from StrataScratch. Till then, please stay tuned.